keep the block in between your thighs. So we're gonna move into Urdhva Dhanurasana. You're gonna grab onto your strap. And you're gonna take that strap and you're gonna place it right above your elbows. And it's gonna feel a little awkward if you've never done this before. So we're gonna move slowly into this pose, and we have the strap around our elbows to keep our elbows from splaying further than shoulder distance apart so that we can keep pinning them in. And then we're gonna have the block in between the thighs to remind us to keep our knees and our feet hip distance. So it's gonna be a little bit challenging once you come into the pose. If you drop that block onto the floor while you're in it, no problem, just remember to keep pressing into the big toe mounts and pull the knees in towards each other. So we're gonna kind of break this down into phases. So Nathan's gonna bring his hands back behind his shoulders with his fingertips pointed towards his shoulders. He's gonna take a breath in. And as he exhales, he's gonna start to lift up, but then right away, bring the crown of the head down onto the mat. And once he brings the crown of the head down, he's gonna do three things. He's gonna pin the elbows in a little bit closer. He's going to draw the elbows back so that the shoulders draw back into socket, and then he's going to pull his chest forward towards the wall that he's looking at. Once he's done those three things, he's going to press into his hands and then inhale, lift all the way up into the pose. Beautiful. And then maybe you walk your feet in a little bit closer towards your hands. Squeeze your thighs together. And it's that same breath movement that we were doing in that bridge pose. As you exhale, you root down through the feet and the hands. And then as you inhale, you try to lift up. The chest pulls forward towards the wall that you're looking at, and you breathe for 3, for 2, and exhale, gently release out of it. Walk your feet forward. Bring your hips down. Nice. You can lose the strap, place it off to the side. Lose the block, move it off to the side as well. And then you'll heel toe your feet out the width of your mat, knocking your knees in together to touch. So this is a nice way to just spread and broaden across your lower back, settling out the spine after those back bends.